Dear listener, may I welcome you with an open heart. You are listening to 111 Tips for Learning a Language. I will present to you Tip 5. This is one of my favorite tips. Here it comes. Read out aloud. Choose a text that you like. It must be in the language you are learning and should be about a page long. Go somewhere quiet, relax, and take in a deep breath. Now start reading your text. Listen to the lilt of your voice. Absorb how you sound like when you are speaking a foreign language. Beginners initially are afraid to speak. They think that they sound weird when they hear themselves speak. This tip will help you familiarize yourself with your own powerhouse, your voice. Hear your voice as you enunciate each syllable. Exaggerate for special effect just to see how the word in that language sounds like. This is also for your own learning exploration. You can record your own voice and also play it back. When you hear yourself speak, examine if there are areas of pronunciation or diction that you can improve on. This tip also helps immensely with self-confidence. If you have no one to speak the language to, the very least you can do is to practice reading out aloud. If you already have people to speak the language with, this practice of reading out aloud will help you skyrocket to fluency when speaking to other people. Wonderful! Our podcast has now come to an end. I wish you inspired learning, and you'll hear from me in our next episode.